Hey there, today I'm showing you how to use pin mode on Arduino to set pins as input or output. Each pin on your Arduino can be used as either an input or an output. We can use pin mode function to set this up. For example, to set pin 13 as an output, just write pin mode 13, output. The pin mode function takes two variables. The first one is the pin on which you wish to set, and the second variable is the type of the pin. And if you want pin 7 to read input, you write pin mode 7 and then input. The input is telling the Arduino to take input on that pin, and the output is telling the Arduino to send output from that pin. So, sensors are connected to the input pins to read data like temperature or light, while the output devices like LED or motors are connected to the output pins to perform actions.